Let's discuss acupuncture analgesia, the peripheral mechanism, part 2. Pain fibers. A and C pain fibers relay sensory information from the nociceptors and mechanoreceptors to the first-order dorsal root ganglion and subsequently synapse to the second-order neurons in the dorsal horn of the spinal cord. The sensory information is then transmitted through the anterolateral system, especially the spinothalamic tract for pain and temperature, and the dorsal column medial lemniscus system for mechanical sensory input. Animal studies showed increased pain threshold in both chronically dorsal cordotomized and control subjects, but unilateral ventral section of the spinal cord resulted in decreased effect in the contralateral side. This suggested that the anterolateral system for pain and temperature sensation plays an important role in the acupuncture pathway. Transmission of pain signals and acupuncture signals both require intact nociceptive afferent receptors. Pan et al. Showed that there was no response to pain in rats with receptor inhibition using capsaicin. Okay, A and C fibers have specifically been implicated as being related to acupoints. Lee et al. Used Ivan's blue intravasation technique to map C fibers on rat hind limbs. The area of extravasation was in the distribution of acupoints and meridians. The authors concluded that acupoints were areas with high innervation, particularly with pain fibers. The range of A-type afferents had been shown to elicit a lower nociceptive response in cut spinal dorsal horn neurons. Specifically, electroacupuncture can stimulate A-beta type afferent alone to produce analgesia. A recent study by Leong et al. Showed increased analgesia with activation of A theta type afferent by acupuncture. C fibers also appear to play a role in acupuncture analgesia. The generation of unmyelinated C fibers using capsaicin showed decreased analgesia when acupuncture was introduced to rats. In cat study, C fibers activity persisted after termination of stimulation at stomach 36. This was corresponded to the clinical sensation of continued acupuncture effect for hours and days after treatment. Acupuncture also uses the descending inhibitory pathway to enhance analgesia. Particularly, electroacupuncture modulates the nucleus magnus of the descending inhibitory pathway to diminish the sensation of painful stimuli. Liu and Wang found the lidocaine injection to the NRM stopped the antagonistic effect against analgesia produced by acupuncture. This supported the notion that descending inhibitory pathways function to enhance acupuncture analgesia. Thank you for your attention.